In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of your Google account on Google Chrome. Whether you're using a shared computer or you simply want to ensure your account security, signing out of your Google account on Chrome is a quick and easy process. I'll guide you through this step by step today. First off, let's start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Once you're in, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll spot your profile picture. If you haven't uploaded a picture, this will appear as a generic silhouette icon. The icon represents your Google account that's currently signed in. Go ahead and give that a click. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you a quick overview of account settings and other profiles you might have on this browser. One of the top options that you'll notice is Sign Out of Chrome. You'll want to click on this option to begin the sign-out process. Once you've clicked Sign Out of Chrome, the browser will take a moment to process your request. Essentially, what happens here is that Chrome will disconnect your account from the browser. Doing this ensures that your browsing data is not synced with your Google account anymore. Also, this step is particularly significant if you're using a public or shared computer. It helps in keeping your personal data private and prevents unauthorized access to your accounts. After completing these steps, you are successfully signed out of your Google account on Google Chrome. You'll notice that your profile picture or the silhouette icon now displays a generic profile again, indicating you are not signed in. Signing out doesn't delete your browsing history on the local machine. If you're concerned about privacy after signing out, you may also consider clearing your browsing history, cache, and any cookies that might have been saved during your browsing session. This ensures that none of your web activity is retained on the shared or public computer you're using. I hope this guide was helpful in showing you how to sign out from your Google account in Google Chrome. Remember, regularly signing out of your Google account when finished is a good habit, especially in shared environments. It adds an extra layer of security to your personal information. If you found this video useful, feel free to leave a comment below or give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials that make your digital life easier. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.